Okay.
Okay.
Hi!
Ano?
Hi guys! Tingnan nyo, I have a cake.
Oh,
And I have also the Starbucks. And I have also the flowers with langka. This is the gift of my two sons, Nico and Richard. And the other one's Lyndon. And the other one's Roy. And the other one's Lizelle.
Listen.
Thank you very much. Salamat sa mga cake. I love you so much, mga anak ko.
Oh, ano na? Tawag dito.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day.
Taste ano
Oh,
na?
the mother. Okay, I will test this. Okay. You say. Oh, wow.
Wow. Masarap?
Wow, delicious.
Oh, siya yung pumili niya, no?
Wow, delicious. Okay, thank you very big. Anak ka yan. Wow.
Ba, sarap pa.
Love you. Where's Daddy?
Deh!
Daddy.
Umalis.
Daddy, come here, Daddy.
Ito yung pumili siya.
Are you your girlfriend?
Hindi.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Gusto niya pumunta dito kaso lang gagabihin na siya.
Nice to meet you.
Gusto niya sana siya magdala niyan.
Wow.
Gagabihin na siya.
What's your name?
Oh, bye-bye to vlog na. Bye-bye to vlog.
Bye-bye.
Oh, cut na,
Bye-bye,
cut.
guys. Thank you very big. Happy Mother's Day. Love you. All
Bye-bye.
mothers love you.